Hello everyone, welcoming you to Saurav's classes. And today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 paper on economics, question number 14. So the solution of the differential equation xy dx minus x squared plus y squared dy equals to 0 will be what? Okay, so first let us write this down in the dy dx form. So the question is xy dx minus x squared plus y squared dy is equals to 0. So that means if we write this in the dy dx form, so that becomes xy divided by x squared plus y squared, right? If you observe carefully, the total power of each of the terms in the numerator and denominator are the same, right? So if you divide by x squared in both the numerator and denominator, then you basically get y by x plus 1 upon y by x whole square. So that means this is basically a homogeneous differential equation. So in order to solve this, we will substitute y by x b equals to v. So that means y is equals to vx. So if we differentiate this, dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. So replace it, v plus x into dv by dx is equals to v divided by 1 plus v square. So that becomes x times dv dx is equals to v by 1 plus v square minus v. So that is minus v cube by 1 plus v square. Interchanging the sides, 1 plus v square by v cube dv is equals to minus 1 by x dv, and integrating it out, so that makes it integration of 1 by v cube dv on the left plus integration of 1 by v dv is equals to minus integration of 1 by x dx. So that will be v to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus log of mod v is equals to minus log of mod x plus c. So if we replace the value, minus half into x by y whole square plus log of mod y is equals to c. We are also given another information that y of 0 is equals to 1. That means when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. So if we replace the value, x is 0, first term is 0, y 1, so that makes it c as 0. So if we replace it, it's basically minus half into x by y whole square plus log of mod y is equals to 0. So log of mod y is equals to half into x by y whole square. So that means log of this half can go to the left and become y square in power. So that means y square is equals to e to the power x square by y square. This is the solution to your differential equation. And looking at the options, this is your option number B from the set. Okay, thank you.